All right, guys, what's up? Looking at some good old commodities today here, real quick on the Sunday stock talk. Looking at natural gas here, as you see, this was the original spike up here this past week. It has confirmed after it broke this zone right here, came up, boom, denied old support, old support there now, new resistance, and right here, it's kind of the telltale. Um, let's see here, over here. I did. So at the end of the day, I believe here was the end of the day. Yep, end of the day was right here. This was my zone as the bounce zone. So I did enter Ugaz here and held it overnight, and it came down crashing down. Oh, actually, it was over here. Sorry about that. So over the last week, I did hold Ugaz, and it came crashing down. But what I suspected was we were going to have a bounce. So what I did was I did enter Dgaz down here, and then it says the next day opened up, came up here, but I averaged down. So I was originally down like $300 on Ugaz. That was a risky move. That was kind of silly. You shouldn't be entering in against the trend, anyways. But I was down. I know I told people I wasn't Ugaz, and everyone was like, "Oh, it's gonna go up," and it went down. But I knew there was going to be some sort of pullback here. I was kind of lucky, so I entered Dgaz 2 as a hedge. So say this never happened and just crashed down like over here, I would still be in Dgaz. I wouldn't be out any more money. So, and I knew natural gas would eventually continue to back down. So that's why I was in Ugaz and Dgaz here. Broke even on, or made money on Ugaz, held Dgaz, and of course, broke even on Dgaz, sold way too early, and then just came crashing down because I thought I was going to bounce here. If you're playing the cat and mouse game, I highly recommend playing it with Dgaz because that's the trend right now. Like right here, I did enter Ugaz and made a little there, but I broke it here and had to cut my losses really quick. Right now, I foresee natural gas opening up. It could gap down, but honestly, I think it's going to gap up a little bit, be up here in this range, mainly because this is a pretty strong support. 3.75 is an old one. I think that's where it's going to bounce. And then it'll probably open up here in this range. I guess 3.9 would be nice to see that. If not, it could gap down to here to 3.5. So see how that is. I'm in one share of Ugaz because I'm a gambler and I think we're going to pull back. But if I am wrong, that's okay. It's only one share. I would never go more than that. Wait. So looking at gold here. Gold coming up on this uptrend. I have been in JDST since here, so it's kind of sucked because of JNUG was actually running up here. But I also was in DGLD, finally broke back even right here. And once I broke here, I doubled down and boom, sold off. That was a huge, huge support right here. The 1245. That really was a big deal. And once it broke right here, the 1241, like I knew it was going to have a retest, so I sold and then came back in. And now I'm in DGLD again. So 1241, once it breaks close below that, it's on a downtrend again for gold. And the U.S. dollar is strong, so that's what I think personally. So JNUG, I would sell. Let's see, where is it? I'm on zone list here. Oh, it's an off. Look at this. This is old. I haven't not looked at these in a while. Because I've been just holding JDSC, but it did rally up and sold off here. I see it getting taken down right there, 3 points or 7.39. That's where it should get rejected. JDST, where are we? This thing kind of sold off a boatload. And the decay does not help, but it came up here into here. Once it closes above the 70-30, 72. So then it would be nice to see a 75 again, but we will see. It's got a ways to go. So it's got to close above the 69. It's got to close above this mark right here, the 69.70. That's what I'm waiting for. Raw oil thing has just been moving sideways, but it's been great to play. So once it enters down here, that's when I've been entering here, the 50.4. But it didn't get that quite there this time, but I saw a pullback, so I entered in here and kind of swung that. I've been selling up here every single time. Every single time it gets here, I sell because it has not. I give up that much margin. I don't care. I mean, that's good and everything, but if you wanted to sell half and then trail the rest, that would have helped you back here. But as it's staying in between these zones, I'm selling here and buying here. That is just me. I am in UWT right now, short term, because I don't think this is going to go much lower. I'll cut my losses if it breaks below this. So stop loss right there. If you enter here, make sure the amount you are willing to risk is the amount that it will be down here. So I have not. What What in the world did I just do? Okay. Wow, that was weird. Okay. So drip, drip is if you bag hold drip, you are now making money since February there. Like all the Ricky Gutierrez and the tech buds did, you are now in the money. This is nuts, man. I mean, this is like up 110%. That is just freaking crazy because of crude oil selling off. I play this one with drip if you want, but I mean, drip is the play technically. Josh, not really looking good. Do not play. I would wait. I do not like this at all. But I mean, if you were to play anything, I'd play drip because that's for the trend. But I think crude oil is going to see a pullback or going to come back up here. So if you do, oh, what the heck? Oh, that's why I have Fibonacci retracement. So if you do want to get in here, where are we here? We are really high. Ah, Jesus. I would definitely wait for a pullback down to here in this area. Right to there. I know that's kind of wide, but if it bounces here, it's going to make new highs again, just like it did down here. That actually kind of broke it right there. Kind of went down a little lower than I was expecting. So I probably would have stopped out of this, and then once it broke above, I would have entered again. But I didn't play this. But it's been doing its thing. It's been holding its pattern. It's got an uptrend. Looking at NQ, also the TQQ. Okay, if you're playing that 3 times leverage, as you see the Nasdaq coming back down to here into these levels, I foresee a bounce here, just like on the SPY personally. We sold off quite a bit. So if we were to look at TQQQ, because if you're like me and you use Robinhood, this is the one you're playing. Broke this spot. That's not good. Not good at all. So I guess really, if you want to wait for confirmation, you don't want to lose your money, wait for it to break and close above this zone right here, just like it has every time. Let's see, every time it breaks above this zone, boom, uptrend. Boom, uptrend right to here. So every time it's past this and it closes green, enter, sell. I mean, it's not. It didn't. That one was a tough one, but it didn't close above it. It closed right on it. That's kind of cool. Huh. So just my 2 cents for that. LABU because this is gonna because LABD is the play, but LABU because the market's closed. See here, here was my old zone here, my bouncing zone here. Where are we? We closed below it. That's not good. So really, if you want to be a bottom fisherman, I'm in like 1 share of this too because I just got FOMO. Don't do that. It's kind of silly. But if you are, just do 1 share. It's like, it's gonna lose like $3 max. But it doesn't bounce there. I think there's another. It's not a zone, but it's a support. So in that range, I guess if you were to go there, you could definitely go there. But if it breaks this, like, get out. Get out. If it goes below 38.90, get out. Don't stay in it. You're wasting your time. Besides that, oil, I mean, silver is probably, I haven't really looked at silver at all. Be straight up because it's boring. I don't know why you play this over gold, but yeah, it's like I said, it's just like gold. It's actually on a really strong support right there, really strong. Touched there before many times. So once it breaks that, like it kind of did, it closed below it. I mean, really, right there was the area. Right about there. It's touched there, over there, over here. There's another support. Kind of choppy. I don't really like this, but yeah, I think this is gonna possibly sell off. That's a pretty darn red candle there. Let's see. Looking at anything else, I know some people wanted a few other things. Let me just take a second to look if there was anything else. Oh, my other play, Bank of America. I like playing this one. This is cool. This thing's been really, really easy. I mean, boom. These are old supports from the beginning of the year too. This thing is way down, way oversold. Be careful with this. It is on a downtrend, so just be careful. But I mean, it'd be awesome if it just bounced off here. Look at how many times it's touched here. Come on. It should come back up to here, and hopefully we get to see new highs. Hopefully, if the market comes up, 24.84, some good support there. Let's see. Once it breaks that, though, just put that. That's just a support. I mean, it's just touched there, so close above that, bounce there, come up to this level. So I would say that's a pretty risk. I mean, stop loss right below. And don't, yeah, like I said, if it makes new lows, get out. But Bank of America is pretty safe. So I feel 4C. I mean, even though the whole banking market's kind of like in a bear market, I mean, this is a pretty good hold. Personally, I like Bank of America. I've done well off them, but I mean, that's just my 2 cents. So banks are struggling right now. If we go into recession, it's going to really suck. So, but they did well in 2008, and I think they're going to do well. Okay, now if you do invest in this and you don't cut losses here, I'm averaging at like $25. So right here. So once I get to here, I'm breaking even. I am down a little bit. Maybe it's 24.70. It doesn't matter, but I foresee the market rallying up this week. So Bank of America, the only other speculation kind of play that I have right now is SOXL. This one's kind of cool, mainly because it's in this diagonal pattern. So let's see. I have a whopping. How many shares of this do I have? Looking at my row, one share because I don't think it's gonna. I mean, it's bounced here before. I want to see a 4C coming up to here and then bounce in this area. I want to see it close above this and then bounce here and go up here. Move sporadically. So yeah, the thing moves kind of crazy. But I'm entering down here. This is my buy zone right now. This is my one share zone because I just don't trust it. But yeah, like I said, these are the definite areas, definite sell areas, next sell area. I just like to go there. It's just the risk to reward is where if you're entering in between these zones, like you're kind of guessing, you're kind of might as well go to a casino and flip a coin. Luckily, it's a lot easier for me to guess when you just have to buy it and it's all online. But that's that. Like I said, those are really all the ones I'm just looking here. So if you guys have any questions about anything else, let me know. I'd love to answer them. I know I was making call outs the other day on natural gas. That was pretty cool. A really great week for that. Dgaz has been fantastic. This is the play though. So always be looking at natural gas chart. Don't be looking at this. This is just a guide to your price. But like I said, guys, if you have any other questions, let me know. Love to answer them. Anyways, I'll probably do some forex pairs in the future, and I'd like to try to go live here more often. So it's just easier. I'm not big on editing like interaction with people. So if I'll make the times every day, whatever time you guys think would be best. Leave them in the comments down below, and I like to do it maybe even every day. It's not really hard. I enjoy this. It's fun. Making money is cool. Gives you more time, more financial freedom. Silver's been a great dude. So if you have any questions about his course or anything, just let me know, and we'll go from there. But stop streaming for now, guys. Thanks, everything, and I'll see you this week on the charts.